Hey guys, welcome. In this video I will teach you how to download Heygen video. So let's just begin. First of all, you need to head over to your avatar section, or you can also head over to your projects if you have already created something. Let's just say I have already generated or rendered a video, so you can select that. And before we proceed, you can head over to the link in the description below to get 22% off onto their creators plan. So you can unlock a lot of premium features and effects which are going to be making your videos even more robust. So do check out the link in the description below. So to download this, you can see we have this straightforward option to download. Once you click on that, you can see we have some advanced settings. So if you want to increase the resolution, you can do that. You can set it up to 4K. You can simply click on to download, and you also have this caption option to download the captions as well. So click on download and you will be able to see on top right our video is now downloaded.
Hi, let's start with this video, and I am super excited.